Today we're talking about what happens to your driver's license after a DUI arrest in Georgia, specifically in the DeKalb County area. A lot of people don't realize this, but after a DUI arrest, there's a separate process happening behind the scenes that can take your license away before you ever step foot in a courtroom. It's called Administrative License Suspension, or ALS for short. Georgia has what's called an implied consent law. By driving on Georgia roads, you've already agreed to take a chemical test if you're lawfully arrested for DUI. If you refuse that test, or if you blow a .08 or higher, the ALS process kicks in. You have just 30 days from the arrest to request a hearing to fight the suspension. Miss that window, and your license is suspended automatically. Some drivers might qualify for an ignition interlock permit instead, but that's a separate path. If you do request a hearing, it's not like a regular court case. An administrative judge looks at specific procedural questions. Did the officer have a valid reason to believe you were impaired? Was the arrest lawful? Did they read you the implied consent warning correctly? Did you actually refuse the test or fail it? That's the scope of what gets decided. The administrative process is completely separate from your criminal DUI case. Even if you lose the ALS hearing and your license gets suspended, you can still fight the criminal charges in court. Sometimes what comes out during the ALS hearing actually helps the criminal defense by exposing weaknesses in the prosecution's case. There are 3 possible outcomes from the ALS process. The suspension is upheld, it gets thrown out, or the driver qualifies for an ignition interlock permit to keep driving under certain conditions. After a DUI arrest in Georgia, that 30-day window starts immediately. Whether you're in Atlanta, Dunwoody, Alpharetta, Sandy Springs, or anywhere in Cobb, Fulton, or Gwinnett County, getting an experienced DUI defense attorney involved quickly can make a real difference. The Spizman Firm handles both the administrative license side and the criminal charges, so if your license is at risk, reach out to speak with an Atlanta DUI defense attorney who knows Georgia law.